I climb. I need a sling.
Okay, you pass it up to me then. You pass it up.
I can't. Can I throw it?
Yeah.
Can I stand on it?
Well, pass it. If you pass it up to me now.
I can't. I'm cutting it.
Here you are. Hold the sling. Both hands.